I wanted to do a little tape measure trick today that I've learned. I don't know if you guys ever seen it. You just take a regular old tape measure. This one's a Menard piece of junk, but anyway. Take the tape measure, bend it over like this, and you take this side, keep pulling it out, and where we're into the year 2014, we would go to 114 inches on this side. So you go to 114 here. I'll bring it down where it's even here. Take this into the tape measure, put it there with it. And let's say, like my son's born in 1994, my oldest son. So you'd pinch it together right here on 94 and turn it around, and you see it on 20. That's how old he'll be this year. Or if you go to my age, I was born in 72. So you go up here to 72 and turn it around, and it shows you I'll be 42 this year. Neat little trick you can do with the tape measure. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Hope you like this video. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.